What up YouTube, it's your boy Memthebarber with another tutorial. Now before we hop into this tutorial, you guys, today I looked at my phone and I was like, yo, 36,000 subscribers. Yo, 36,000 subscribers. Jeezy, 36,000 subscribers? Dude, okay, I know you in the millions. George, 36,000 subscribers? Okay, I know you in the 100,000. Okay, congrats to both of y'all. 36,000, yo, this is big. So I told myself that when I hit 50K, I'm gonna do this big giveaway, you guys. So if you have any friends out there, any loved ones that want to learn how to cut some hair, make sure to share my video. So when I do this giveaway, you never know, I might pick you, but you gotta share my video, all right? So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, now before I start my haircuts, I always like to wet down my client's hair, so that way I can get an idea of how, like, the style is gonna come out, how the fade is gonna come out. It's really good to, like, comb down the hair, especially like comb overs or like pompadours or any type of styles. But just keep that in mind, guys, that it'll help you a lot to get an idea of how to do the fade. So before I all down my client, first off I want to start out by using the 1.5 guard. Now the reason why I'm starting off with the 1.5 guard is just to bring down some of this bulk, and the second reason is for for me it's just so easy to blend into the 1.5 or to the number 1. But if you ever have a client that comes in with long hair, a 1.5 is also a good way to start. Just the fact that it's easier to do the clip over comb and to do the fade. So after knocking down some of the bulk with the 1.5, I have my lever all the way open with my favorite comb, and pretty much what I'm doing is just knocking down some of the heavy bulk from the sides and trying to blend into the 1.5. Now to create my main guideline, I'm using my wall cordless detailers to ball down my client. Now pretty much what I'm doing is dropping down the fade into the super bow. So now I have my lever all the way open to create a second guideline and also following the same pattern. So to get rid of that first guideline, the one I just pointed at, pretty much what I'm doing is triggering the lever by closing the lever just little by little. So now I have my 1/16 guard with an open lever. Now what I'm doing is trying to soften out this guideline, so that way it will be much easier for me to, move into my next step. Okay guys, so basically what I'm doing now is trying to repeat the same technique that I did by triggering the lever. Last but not least, guys, I'm using my 1/8 guard. Now it is with an open lever, but now what I'm doing is trying to blend in some of the little guidelines that are noticeable, just by like kind of again, it's really important to always remember that triggering the lever, meaning closing it little by little, it's a good way to perfect your blend. You don't always have to have the lever all the way open. You can always have it midway, you can close it all the way, but just keep in mind, guys, that triggering the lever is a good way to perfect your blend. it comes down to blow drying, I always like to use the Elegance hair serum. Now there's two reasons why I like to use it and why I prefer to use it. For one, alright, it smells good, and two, it softens out the hair. So I do want to apologize for not showing the product that I apply on my client's hair. So the product is called Red One. I know a lot of people probably know it because over social media, but I do recommend this pomade, you guys. This pomade works so good, it smells good, and it's just so easy to just come off, off your hands, whatever. And the clients, they actually love it, because there's some products that when you take a shower, it's so hard to come off, but with this product, you guys, it's so easy to come off, and like I said, you guys, it smells good. So after blow drying and applying product, I always like to come back and clip over a comb to get rid of some of the necessary hairs. So another technique I like to do is use my thinnest shears to reduce some of the heavy bulk and to blend into the fade. Alright you guys, well this is the final look. If you feel like you learned anything from this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and also make sure to turn on your notification bell for my next tutorial. Alright you guys, until next time.